Hey, what's up? So I wanted to talk about career advice. See, I see people every single day that are in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s working a job that they hate. They sold their time to the highest bidder a long time ago. They committed to a salary that they know is not what they're genuinely worth, but they have no other choice because that is the career that they chose. So you might be one of those people that's in a situation that you want to get out. You might have just graduated college. You might be, leaving the service and you're on the career hunt. Let me give you some advice. I'm one of the lucky ones. I found a company that I can align with and start my own business with them. I've been doing it for 10 and a half years. It is ultimately fulfilling. I love what I do. I feel like I'm grossly overpaid for the work that I do, if I'm just being honest. And so I want to give you 3 tips that you can take as you're looking for the career of your dreams. Number one, you got to genuinely feel good about what you do. The mission that you're on, the work that you're doing, you have to be internally, like wholeheartedly connected to the work that you do, to the mission. I think oftentimes we join a company, we choose a career for a paycheck. And they say that success without fulfillment is the ultimate failure. So number one, you got to feel fulfilled about what you do. See, I'm very fortunate. I serve United States veterans with their permanent benefits, and I help servicemen and women find thriving careers as they're exiting the military, going into civilian life. I feel awesome about that. That's a mission worth serving. See, I didn't serve this country, but it's amazing knowing that I could help veterans and serve the people that fought for the freedom that you and I have. So number one, I absolutely love that. Number two, I get to put people into business. So not only do we serve veterans, but I get to put veterans in business for themselves. And so that leads me to number three. Number three, what you need in a thriving career is you got to get, in my opinion, you got to get paid for the work that you're doing. So the compensation needs to match the fulfillment. I think it's impossible to build wealth in a job. I think they say that, which you probably heard before, right? The word job stands for just over broke. And isn't that like the truth, right? It's like you get paid on Friday, you're broke by Sunday, Monday. I've been there, done that. See, in the business that we're in the insurance world, not only do you get directly compensated for helping people, but you can also build your own agency where you're mentoring other agents, just like somebody mentored you. And not only that, for every veteran that you help and every veteran that one of your mentees helps, you're going to get residual income for the lifetime of that policyholder. Not only that, but you'll reach a point where you're 100% vested, where you're getting monthly cash flow for the rest of your life, regardless if you work or not. My friends, that's financial freedom. I think we live in the land of the free, home of the brave, but there's so many people that aren't free, that are shackled by their bills. And so if that's you, I'm telling you, man, life is too short. You got to find a career that checks all those 3 boxes. You got to feel good about what you do. You've got to feel 100% fulfilled about what you do, not just the clients you serve, but are you mentoring people? Are you leading people? Are you helping them change their lives? One of the best things that you could hear as a mentor is someone looks you in your eyes and say, man, thank you for changing my life. Thank you for impacting me and my family. Man, that's amazing. To me, that's worth way more than money. Take the money, as much as I love it, take it and just give me the genuine satisfaction of helping change people's lives. I'm a happy man. But hey, number 3, the money definitely doesn't hurt. So when you can get compensated and rewarded financially for the results that you get, I mean, that's incredible. See, in the business that I'm in, when you first start out, you're underpaid, overworked, right? Because you're starting a brand new business. You're building something from the ground up. But once you progress, once you move forward, in my opinion, I'm grossly overpaid now for the work that I do. See, and so that's amazing. So when you can get in an opportunity where you can build a business, like put in work in the beginning, and that business will pay you for the rest of your life. And then whenever I die, knowing that my wife and kids are taken care of for life, my renewals, just the residuals that I get from my book of business, God willing, they're going to pay my kids one day. So y'all, it's an amazing feeling. I'm very blessed. I'm very humbled to say that I found a company, that I found an industry that's like a dream for me. And I just want to share the good news, man. So if you know of anybody looking for work, if you know of a service, man or woman, that's down on their luck, we would absolutely love to talk with them. Send me a DM, please. We would absolutely love to help you. With that being said, I hope this message finds you well. God bless you, and I'll see you guys soon.